Um, Good afternoon, good evening, or good morning, sir. Um, this is my video about the recorded lesson or discussion. So, first is, of course, what's the topic all about? Well, from what I've seen, there were insights from other countries like Singapore, uh, and how it can help the Philippines achieve its goal of becoming the Tiger of Asia. So I have learned how Singapore plans and create their future, especially in the digital path. We were also showed how the world can be more connected. Not only that the video also talked about the Internet of Things or IoT and how it can give us a more connected world either through wired or wireless technology. Uh, with smart systems planned up to 50 years ahead, it was also discussed what technology can do for various sectors like agriculture, how it can automate and help our farmers and their task, of course, their daily struggles, and energy, how auto calculation of watts per city usage graphs can be generated by smart systems. And of course, cities, traffic monitoring. I believe in traffic monitoring. It's one of the key uh, key benefits of having a smart system in cities. And of course, logistics, health, and industrial application. Now, each sector can benefit from smarter systems developed by software engineers, hardware engineers, computer engineers like myself, and of course, other engineers and scientists. Now, most of the topic is about the automation and smart systems, which means that uh, systems, of course, with autonomy or AI can calculate and display various data depending on the sector of application. Like, will you use this on cities, energy, uh, agriculture, fisheries, trading, or logistics? Now, um, how do I how do I see myself? What is the future of computer engineers in the global stage? Well, we computer engineers are versatile. We're a mix of software and hardware related academics. I believe we are the perfect candidates for making prototypes with our understanding of hardware and software integration, plus specialization, if there are any. I'm sure in some universities overseas, there's probably a choice for a specialization on what you want to specialize in. We can make we computer engineers, I believe we can make something that will either be greatly innovative or a great breakthrough or a stepping stone for an even better automation. So how does this video or all of this information make me see myself in computer engineering? Well, honestly, I am not sure on the path I want to take. Whether I'll take the path where I just maintain systems instead of innovate or create take the creative approach, or which is harder, create prototypes, experiments, and solve problems. The world of technology is broad, and I'm sure as a computer engineer that opportunities of this field will not run out. Although with AI developing faster than we could imagine, I am seeing entry level positions for technology related roles dwindle over time. This is because more and more entry level positions can now be automated or replaced by AI. Uh, I may have a hard time getting into the job industry having no experience. Plus, I'm going to graduate during the boom of AI, and I know this path will not be easy because a lot of entry level positions are what they call replaceable by AI now. I have seen it in many forums. LinkedIn, Reddit, most of the employers and former employees talking about how AI is affecting entry-level positions in technology. Like for example, what do they call it again? Vibe coders, yes. Vibe coders, well, they can be replaced easily by AI because senior or mid-level position can just prompt just as good, if not better, than entry-level positions. So before entering the programming market or industry, you need to have a strong knowledge, especially in the documentation and a specialized language, your language which where you're most proficient in, to secure or give yourself a better chance. Uh, so I do suggest we computer engineers, if we want to be programmers, study hard and pick one language we want to stick to, be good at it, be confident about it, because being knowing many programming languages as in an entry level position is not ideal. You're not going to do many projects that needs various languages. That's why some companies hire mm, specialized positions like C sharp developer, Java developer, JavaScript developer, Python developer. Just pick your lane. If you want to be involved in database, you can also focus studying Azure for database related roles. Alright. So now, so I have decided, no, what do I want to pursue in the future. I have decided that I want to pursue after graduation is something related to AI, because you know what they say, if you can't beat it, join it. I want to adapt, learn, and use it as a tool, as how it should be. Being a machine learning engineer or AI engineer will give me a more secure opportunity in the future. But given the Philippines has the least number of AI startup companies in Asia, I may have to pursue this overseas, which has tighter competition, given that my competitors and other people overseas, they have better facilities and they are years ahead in terms of AI and many other things, which means their citizens or my competitor applicants there are more likely knowledgeable compared to me. But you know what they say, fortune favors the bold. I won't lose anything if I fail. After all, well, I may lose some time, but at least I tried. You never know if the big opportunity is there, here. If an AI company in the Philippines, an AI startup suddenly becomes, well, let's say successful at least, or catch up with other countries, I may have an opportunity in helping those AI companies, being a part of them. So let's move on. What are my key takeaways for the future of jobs? Well, personally, I think many are unlucky to be born or choose this course, choose many course during the transition period or phase out period or whatever people call it. Let's It's normal for jobs to disappear when new take arrives, new jobs arrives, new technology arrives, and another job is of course born out of it. Like let's take it for example, stonemasons, blacksmiths. You don't see much of those anymore because machines do their jobs for them, and many more jobs disappeared from the world over time. But with their disappearances comes the jobs to create and maintain their replacements. I believe that's what's happening right now. Jobs will start getting replaced by smart technology and AI, but in the coming years, more jobs will appear. Ones we have never heard of before, but we anticipated. Jobs some people studied for years will slowly become obsolete. This is the painful part of the transition, where the unlucky people who chose courses that can be easily replaced will suffer the most. This is why I think many from the middle to lower class are unlucky to be born in this period, because this is where the priorities and job shift. where degrees or knowledge will be obsolete because of their replacements, where new courses or degrees will rise. May take 10 years or 15 years from now, especially for third world countries, before most jobs or many jobs or some jobs becomes completely replaceable, or maybe even fine for first world countries. But one thing is certain, this transition is inevitable, and the future is yet to be seen. Hopefully, we have a smooth transition to the new jobs. They open workshops, and hopefully employers accept employees who graduated or finished or earned certificate from workshops than just their 4-year degree, because it's hard to study another 4 years again after you got replaced by an AI for a job you studied for let's say 4 to 5 years. And that concludes my uh, video. Thank you, sir. Have a good day or evening.